This is Kurt with AutoYIVE, and today I'm going to be showing you the brand new addition to AutoYIVE for YiveSites, and that is the ads area. Once you open up AutoYIVE, you're going to notice that we have the create blogs, new post, new video, new page, custom domains, and ads. In order to update the ads, we're going to need a CSV. The CSV is formatted in a very particular fashion, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of the scripts that I have here and have here. That way you can see exactly what it looks like. So we have the very first column. Column A is the subdomain that we're going to be looking at the headers or the actual ad areas. Now there are 8 different ad areas inside of YiveSites. We have before the header, we have in the header body, and then we have after the header, and then after the header body. Those are 4 there. Then we have the footer head, then we have the footer body, we have inside the post head, inside the post body, then we have the sidebar head, and then the sidebar body. These are all ad sections that have been created by YiveSites. So the control of where these are at are totally done by the themes that you select and you utilize. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different possible ad spots for you to utilize. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using the subdomain QuidPeer video. Now right here you can see where it says subdomain. Even if you add a custom domain, the subdomain for this particular site will stay the same, because that is the subdomain for YiveSites for this particular. That's how they find them and associate them, and this is just the way their software works, so we have to make sure that we adhere to that. So I'm at that particular blog, and I'm going to come down to appearance, and I'm going to click on ads. Once I do, we're going to notice that we have the after head, and then the header body, the footer, the footer head, footer body, inside post, head and body, and then sidebar, head and body. Now, all we have to do is make sure that we add what we want to these. So for this particular place, we're going to come back up to the header here. After head, and then what I'm going to do is body. So I'm going to paste in after head body, paste in my code, copy that, paste, and then this one, this is going to go into my footer body. So I'm going to paste that right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and click save. This does have to be a CSV. This cannot be an Excel spreadsheet. So I'm going to run through these once again to make sure that you see that all of these are empty. And now we're going to come back over to AutoYIVE. We're going to click on ads. We're going to click on the CSV. We are going to click on the CSV that we just updated, and then we're going to click submit. And now what it's going to do, it's going to go through this process and update these actual settings. And now it is complete. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come back over to the after header. And then there we see the actual ad, or the whatever you want to put there. That it could be even text if you wanted to. And then we're going to come over to footer. And we're going to notice that information there now. Now, if I wanted to visit the blog to actually see my ads, we could see that we have those there, and it's been added to the actual site. So that is it. If you need anything, please do not hesitate to reach out. This is Kurt with AutoYIVE.